Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running QuickBooks Online and noticing that it's running slower than usual, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you proven ways to speed up QuickBooks Online so it runs smoothly and efficiently without any frustrating delays. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about your internet connection and system setup, because a slow connection can make QuickBooks sluggish no matter what. Make sure your internet speed is fast and stable. Use a Google speed test to check. Also, always keep your browser and operating system up to date. QuickBooks Online works best with the latest version of Google Chrome on Windows or Mac OS. Next, take a look at your computer itself. Close any programs or browser tabs that you aren't actively using. Background apps take up memory and processing power, which can slow down QuickBooks. Now, let's focus on your browser settings. Clearing your cache and cookies regularly is a must. Old data can cause QBO to lag. Also, temporarily disable any browser extensions. Some extensions, even useful ones, can conflict with QuickBooks Online. Make sure pop-ups and cookies are allowed for the QuickBooks site, and check that JavaScript is enabled since QBO relies heavily on it for interactive features. Another trick is to toggle hardware acceleration in Chrome. Sometimes turning it on or off can noticeably improve performance. Experiment and see what works best for your setup. When it comes to QuickBooks-specific tips, always stick with Google Chrome, as it's the recommended browser for QBO. Keep your QuickBooks Online account updated so you're benefiting from the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. And if you've tried all these steps and QuickBooks is still slow, don't hesitate to contact QuickBooks support. They can help troubleshoot deeper issues. And that's it. With these tips, you should notice a significant boost in QuickBooks Online's performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and share it with anyone struggling with slow QBO. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.